create a membership site. Actually, a membership site is a private website with exclusive content available only to the signed up members. It usually provides members with the ability to interact with each other. They pay a monthly fee for being a member of the website. People who like to interact with, guide, and lead a community can start a membership site. You should have first in-depth knowledge of any particular domain. Second, ability to research new things and constantly generate new and helpful content. Here are some essential tips required. First, in the beginning, keep the fee for joining the membership site ridiculously low. Aim to create a minimum viable product instead of creating a perfect product. You can always improve your site in later stages. Second, interact and engage with members. Third, run group events and challenges to increase members' engagement with your site. Organize regular events, challenges or small similar. Fourth, periodically review what's working on and what is not. Try to adapt the site based on the members' need. Its monetization is also very simple. More members sign up to your website, more income you generate from the monthly fees that members pay. So, here's a quick tip. Do Google search for Matthew Woodward's tutorial on how to create a membership site for free. So, what do you think? Does this method fits with you? If yes, then start today. Best of luck.